Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to roast a leg of lamb. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 leg of lamb, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1½ teaspoons of dried rosemary, 1½ teaspoons of dried thyme, a teaspoon of salt, a ½ teaspoon of pepper, as well as some cooking spray. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven's preheating, we'll combine our 2 tablespoons of olive oil, tablespoon of minced garlic, tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1½ teaspoons of dried rosemary, 1½ teaspoons of dried thyme, teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of pepper in a small bowl. This leg of lamb has already been deboned, netted, and trimmed, but you may have to trim yours and confine it in kitchen twine if you're working with a boneless leg of lamb. You can also cook your leg of lamb with the bone in. We'll pat our leg dry, spray a roasting pan with a rack with cooking spray, and cover our leg with our oil and seasoning mixture. Once we've prepared our leg of lamb, we'll broil it on high on the top oven rack for 4 minutes per side to sear it. Then we'll return our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake our lamb on the middle oven rack for 20 minutes per pound for medium rare and 25 minutes per pound for medium. This leg is a little over 3 pounds, so I'm going to cook it for 1 hour and 20 minutes. When the lamb has finished baking, we'll remove it from the oven, remove the netting, place it on a serving platter, and allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.